My name is Daniela and I am a Youth Services Librarian with Vaughan Public Libraries. Today I'm at the Woodbridge Library branch and I'm making do-it-yourself Erector sets. You don't need expensive Legos or Erector sets to build tall structures. In the 3 simple projects I'll show you today, you just need some very simple materials. I found these activities in the book Project Kid, Crafts That Go by Amanda Kingloff. Let's get started. Let's begin with straw structures. All you need are child-friendly scissors, straws, and pipe cleaners. Begin by cutting a pipe cleaner into 4 equal pieces. And I'm going to fold it first into 4 equal pieces so that it will be easier to cut. And you can do this to as many pipe cleaners as you like. The more you have, the more opportunities for building. So I have a pile ready to go here. And all you need to do next is just insert one end of the pipe cleaner into a straw and use another straw for the other side. And now we've made the connection. So in order to make a corner, just bend your pipe cleaner into a right angle. You can use this maybe to make a square for the foundation of a house or another structure. To make a longer straw, you will take a full pipe cleaner and put it inside one straw, and then take your other straw for the other side. And now you have one very long straw. So as you can see, lots of possibilities with straw structures. This next connector structure is made with clay or Play-Doh and toothpicks. Begin by pinching off a gumball-sized piece of Play-Doh and rolling it into a ball. You can make about 10 of these at once. Then you can just insert your toothpick right into the Play-Doh ball. And then add another Play-Doh ball on the opposite end. And another toothpick. And you can keep building like this until you have an intricate structure. This is endless fun, and there are so many possibilities. The last structure is a cardboard creation made with cardboard and duct tape. Begin by cutting cardboard into various shapes. Next, wrap each end of the cardboard piece with duct tape and trim off any excess tape. When that's done, you're going to cut a small wedge into each side of the cardboard. And now your pieces are ready to go. You can insert them perpendicularly to create a joint, just like this. See how tall your structure can go. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. We'd love to see your do-it-yourself Erector sets. Please use the hashtag #VPLAtHome for a chance to be featured on our social media channels. Please also hit the like button and subscribe, and stay tuned for more educational activities for kids. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.